This video is for anybody that's having a knock sensor ECU problem. I was trying to figure out how to do it on getting this knock sensor out because no one was showing it on YouTube. But anyway, I found a pretty simple way to get it. Anyway, so what I did was came around to this side here and I took this out. Excuse me. I took this little cover off right here. Took this cover off. Okay, so when I took that cover off from this little area right here, when I took that off, the knock sensor is right next to that temperature sensor right there. Let me see if I can get it. There it goes. I don't know if you can see it good. Trying to get it so you guys can see it. Anyway, that. Here's a better view. Okay. Where is it? It's crazy. There it goes. Knock sensor. There it goes. The knock sensor. It's right there. So all you need to do is get a pick to take the clamp off. Which I use this piece right here to get the tab off. And all you need is a 24mm socket. 24mm socket. Go right up in there, snatch that baby right out of there. Took me maybe 15 minutes, maybe. But anyway, now I can put it back together on this side and do the other side. All right, peace.